big suit doing 55 miles an hour. Straight down the chute, brother. Let's get it on. How bad can it be? Summit, plummet? I mean, that doesn't sound... Okay. Woo! It's go time. And the water park wedgies are free with admission. Woo! You look down and you don't see your feet. You don't see anything. Next on the countdown, we go to Disney's Typhoon Lagoon. It blows other water parks away. This way. Look at all these lazy people in the lazy river. Humongo, cowabongo. You better hit the storm slide. Yes. Typhoon Lagoon is home to one of the largest inland wave pools in existence. This baby cranks up a 6-footer every 90 seconds. Incident is short and pretty much wipes out everything. Oh my.
The number 5 Walt Disney World must-see.
Check it out. Next on our countdown, and Disney Water Park's latest invention, Crushing Gusher. This hydro ride's a little different from the rest. It's actually like a water coaster. So pretty much your ride raft becomes the ride of your life raft. Here's what happens. The Crushing Gusher's super-powered water jets launch you, boom, like a slingshot on steroids, then squirt you uphill and down and through hairpin turns faster than you can say, where's my bathing suit? Sounds like fun, right? So let's hit it. Heads up, hairpin turn. Awesome.
Don't go away. When we come back, the number 4 must-see at Walt Disney World Resort.